Hello everyone. According to the Department of Statistics Malaysia (DOSM), do you know the number of occupational injuries in 2022 had increased by 58.9%, resulting to 34,216 cases compared to 2021.
These caused lost lives, families shattered, business fines and penalties. In terms of non-fatal workplace injuries, there were 33,899 reported cases, marking a significant rise of 59.7% compared to 2021. Whereas, the number of fatal workplace injuries in 2022 reached 317 cases, representing an increase of 16 cases compared to 2021.
To ensure workers are compliant to the right safety and health regulations at work, DOSH regulates personal protective equipment (PPE) for use in construction, logging, and any organization working with hazardous chemicals.
There are 7 PPE that can be categorized, including head protection, foot protection, hearing protection, eye protection, hands protection, body protection, and respiratory protection. So today, we will first discuss the importance of having head protection in the industries mentioned earlier.
So today, we're here to demonstrate how we can prevent such tragedies by using one of the most important safety equipment, which is safety helmet. Let us show you what will happen to you if you did not wear a safety helmet at work. Devastating, isn't it? Without proper protection, a simple mishap can turn into a tragedy. All these tragedies can be prevented by putting on a safety helmet. Now, let's add the needs PicaSafe safety helmet into the equation. PicaSafe safety helmet is the right choice for you as it is Cerium certified. See the difference?
With Needs PicaSafe safety helmet, your head stays safe even in the face of danger. There are 5 different colors that are available. PM us to buy your safety helmet today. Remember, your life matters. Choose Needs PicaSafe safety equipment and stay safe always.